What's up, dudes and dudettes? Big Edster here. I know I just did a stash update, but at the end of this video, you'll see why I'm doing another one. But anyway, here's just a couple things that were added over a period of time. And my last stash update, I forgot to put them in here. This was bought at Hobby Lobby. It was open. Looks like everything is in there, but I did get a discount on it. So, put another one of these in the stash. Actually, it was the same thing with this Panzer tank. It was opened. Looks like everything is in there. But I got a decent deal on it, so we went ahead and bought it. Bandai group build coming up. I'm going to try something I never tried before. I'm going to try an X-Wing fighter. So, I bought that for the Bandai group build. Don't know why, but I gravitated towards this tank. I think I might throw some glue at it and see what sticks. I cracked myself up. Woo! Olds 442 W30. Haven't got one. Now I got one. I got one of these, but I wanted to pick up another one. I built one of these, the black one, I believe, years and years and years ago. But I'm going to give another shot. And I finally got one of these. Man, I've been trying forever to get one, and I finally got one through Hobbytown. Finally got one in for me. Same with the Chevelle. I got one, now I got two. Little Baron, Red Baron. Atlantis kit. Don't feel like there's nothing in the box. And these things here. All right, now what I need to do is I'm going to try to get a hold of somebody who 3D prints. If anybody remembers the banana splits, I want to build all four of them. And I want to have somebody, if I can reach out to the community, to make me the 4 banana split guys to fit in here. So that's my goal. I got two more on the way. All right, now, old Tom Rambler 69. He had some kits. He's sending out the herd. So he sent a picture my way, and he was gracious enough to sell me these kits. So let me show you what I got. First one I got, I can't wait to build this. Big time muscle, and you know what that is. The Big Ford. Woo-hoo-hoo! Awesome, and check this out. Woo! The Hino. The Arishimo. Oh, man, I can't even speak it. But anyway, I want to build it. Awesome, thank you, Tom. Then, I got Joe's Power Plus. He had this kit. There's some different decals in there that he sent along with it. I really appreciate that. Nice kit. Very cool. So let me get this up out of the way. Well, that's a heavy kit. And check this out. This is going to be awesome. I think he built one of these already. Definitely want to get this one, try to get this one built too. But anyway, Tom, I appreciate that. You're selling me those kits and safely getting them delivered here in Michigan. So, guys, that has been another Addict update. And probably going to be not one for quite a while. So, I overspent my allowance. So, we'll talk to you later, guys. Peace out. Happy Saturday evening. We're going to go throw some glue at something and hope it sticks. Peace.